Most people get this wrong. They assume cheaper carriers always mean worse service, but the truth is more nuanced. Today, we're comparing Red Pocket Mobile and AT&T to see which is better for your needs. Red Pocket Mobile is a prepaid operator that runs on multiple networks, including AT&T itself. Plans start as low as $10 per month and offer unlimited talk, text, and varying data options. It's flexible and budget-friendly, especially if you're okay with slightly lower network priority during peak times. Red Pocket also allows you to bring your own phone and offers multi-month discounts if you pay upfront. AT&T, on the other hand, is a traditional postpaid carrier with nationwide coverage, higher network priority, and generally faster data speeds. Their plans start higher around $65 per month for unlimited talk, text, and data, but you get reliable service, robust customer support, and perks like HBO Max included on some plans. Here's the surprising truth. If you live in a city or area with strong AT&T coverage, Red Pocket on the AT&T network can provide almost identical service at a fraction of the cost. The trade-off is support and occasional slower speeds during congestion. If you want premium service with guaranteed priority and perks, AT&T is the safer choice. In conclusion, Red Pocket Mobile is best for budget-conscious users who want flexibility and low-cost service, while AT&T is ideal for those willing to pay more for reliability and extras. It really depends on your priorities, cost versus convenience, and speed. Subscribe for more carrier comparisons and tips to get the most value from your mobile plan.